factory of 500. So 500, it can be written as 2 and 250. So 2 times 250 mean 500. Like as 250, it can be written as 2 and 125. So 2 times 125 mean 250. 125, it can be written as 5 and 25. 5 times 25 mean 125. 25, it can be written as 5 and 5. So 5 times 5 mean 25. So now we select the prime numbers among these numbers. So prime numbers here is 2, like as 5. So these all 2 and 5 are the prime numbers. So we can write 500 is equal to product of all these prime numbers, that is 2 times these 2 times 5 times this 5 and at last this 5. So this much for today and thanks for watching.